Still confused about how to prepare your KCET option entry list? This Excel tool is here to make your life easier. Who is this for? If you're struggling to shortlist the right courses and colleges, especially with so many options out there, this tool is made just for you. What does it do? It helps you create a smart and personalized option entry list for KCET based on your rank, course preference, location, and more. When to use it? Start using it before the KCET option entry portal opens, so you're ready with a clear and confident list. How does it work? Just open the Excel file and follow the instructions. It's all built in and beginner-friendly. Here's what you'll find inside. KCET 2024 R1 PDF data. This sheet has the official Round 1 cutoff data directly from the KCET website. Raw data, a neatly formatted version of the data ready for analysis. OE, a live example showing how a student with a 50,000 rank in GM category can create their option entry list. Step-by-step example. Let's walk through an example. Meet Mr. X, a GM category student with 50,000 rank in KCET 2025. He wants to study computer science as first option, followed by electronics as second option, and only in Bangalore. Here's what he does. 1. Open the Excel and copy the raw data sheet to a new one. Let's call it OE. 2. Keep only the GM category column and delete the rest. 3. Use filters to remove unwanted courses. 4. Sort the data by GM rank in ascending order. 5. Since his rank is 50,000, he keeps colleges with cutoff ranks between 20,000 and 60,000. The rest are deleted. 6. Then he filters again to keep only Bangalore colleges. 7. He makes sure to have at least 100 course college options. In this case, he found 127. 8. Now he applies filters for computer-related courses and gives them top priority. 9. Next, he does the same for electronics-related courses. Pro tips. You can also filter based on distance from home or metro, type of college, as government colleges usually have lower fees. Before finalizing, discuss your list with seniors, mentors, or parents for better guidance. That's it. You are now ready to build a strong and effective KCET option entry list. All the best. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.